Hi guys, it's Gucci Westman, and today we are going to do a flushed cheek. And that's something that I really am big on, a flushed cheek, because I feel like even if you don't live in the countryside in Scotland, you can fake it. I remember once doing a shoot at Stella Tennant's house in Scotland, and all of her kids, including her and her husband, all had this naturally flushed cheek. And I was like, what is that? I guess it's a lot of good air. Anyways, so, we have our baby cheeks. We have currently 4 shades. We have Poppet, Petal, Doo-Doo, and Chouchette. Sometimes I really like to, mix and match and customize your own color, because that way you can really adapt it to your skin tone. And also if you want to have like a flush, which is what I want to do today, I would say it's more of a horizontal application. I might mix a little bit of Petal and Poppet, because I want a soft rose, but then I want a little bit of pop. I'll show you. And I have my new blender brush that we're working on, baby blender. And you can go in kind of this oval, horizontal shape. I remember also once Cameron Diaz, I've done her makeup 1,000 million times. And, since I've known her for a very long time, everybody's face changes as they age and it becomes more hollow and all these things. And at one point I was always doing the kind of blush in the same place, and she's like, no, you have to go here now, so you kind of have to adapt, where as you get older you kind of become more hollow in here and more hollow in here in certain areas, so you can kind of combat that and fake it a little bit with makeup. Even though I have my famous frustrating rosacea, I still like to add a little bit of tiny pink, light pink to the nose. It just makes it feel more like, you're cold, your skin is tight, it's bright, it's rosy, it's fully oxygenated, so much collagen. It just feels, youthful and authentic. Winter's coming, and it just makes you feel a little bit more vibrant and less wintry. If you have deeper skin, Poppet is a really great shade. You can use Doo-Doo as a base and add a little bit of Poppet like I'm doing right now. Chouchette and Petal create a really beautiful sort of peachy, nudie rose. Super pretty also. It just makes it a little bit softer and less of a pop. It also makes me think a little bit of when you've been skiing all day and you're kind of windblown and you're cold, but you feel so good and that you've been active all day. It's that kind of feeling. I'm gonna add a little bit of Petal to my lips. So for anybody who has rosacea, you kind of want to just be able to touch up the areas that are red on their own and apply the color where you want it to be. So you can always do that after. So if you don't have brushes and you want to use your fingers, that is super easy to do with your fingers too. A little pat. And again, you can add more highlight to make you feel even more outdoorsy and healthy. So that's pretty much it. Guys, thank you for watching. What do you think? The winter flush? Please, in my description box, will you let me know what your favorite combos are? It's so fun to hear, and thanks for watching.